To add an outfit directly to a customized calendar, you can use the Add to Outfit Calendar feature. Start by navigating to the calendar page along the top menu. First, you'll need to ensure you have created a customized calendar, as you are not able to alter the default calendar, which is the official Front Fighters Northern or Southern Hemisphere calendar. If you haven't created a customized calendar, start by selecting Add a Calendar. You can choose to start with a blank calendar, start with the standard Women's Essentials calendar if that is a collection you own, or to create a calendar based on the weather. We'll start with the standard Women's Essentials calendar, and let's label it Work Week. Select your hemisphere and tap Create. Once the calendar is generated, which may take several minutes, you are able to add outfits directly to this new calendar. Now let's say your work week is generally casual, but you need to wear business outfits on Tuesdays and you own the Women's Business collection. You can use the Add Outfit to Calendar feature to add outfits from the business collection to your work week calendar. Let's navigate to Outfits and use the filters along the left to find business casual outfits to meet your needs. On your phone, you will have to tap Show Filters to make the filters visible. I've selected Women's Business, Dressy, and Winter. As you scroll through the options, tap the outfit you'd like to add to the calendar and check Add to Outfit Calendar. If you have more than one custom calendar created, first choose the calendar you want to add this outfit to from the drop-down menu, and then tap the date box. From here, you can choose which day to add this outfit to. Since we need dressier pieces on Tuesday, I'll select December 20th and tap Confirm. You'll see a message letting you know the outfit has been added successfully. Alternatively, you can use the Outfit Picker on the Outfit page to find outfits based on your needs. Tap the Outfit Picker button, and let's select Dressy and Cold. Let's say we want to wear a neutral blazer. Type it in the search bar, select it. And we want to see original outfits. Let's tap Find Outfits. Once we find the outfit we want to add, just tap it, check Add to Outfit Calendar. We have our work week calendar. We'll tap the date. Let's pick December 27th, another Tuesday, and tap Confirm. Again, we see the message letting us know the outfit was added successfully. When we navigate back to our work week calendar, we see the first outfit has been added to December 20th, and the second was added to December 27th. On the calendar itself, you might see an outfit you want to move from one day to another. If that's the case, tap the outfit you want to move and check Add to Outfit Calendar. The current calendar you're in will be the calendar selected in the drop-down, but you can select another customized calendar if you'd like. Select the day you want to move the outfit to and tap Confirm. You'll see the message letting you know that the outfit has been successfully added to that day. And back on the calendar, we see that it has. Another way you might use this feature is to add outfits from your saved outfits to your customized calendar. Tap Save to pull up the outfits you have saved. Within saved outfits, you can add an official Front Fighters outfit, which is noted by the Front Fighters banner, which we see here, or you can add an outfit you've uploaded yourself. Here's an outfit that we've uploaded ourselves. To add it to our calendar, tap the outfit, select Add to Outfit Calendar, choose the calendar you want to add the outfit to, and select the date. We'll tap Confirm and wait for our message. Back on our calendar, we see that outfit has been added on that day. And that is how you add an outfit directly to a customized calendar using the Add to Outfit Calendar feature.